Welcome to Engine Explorer, where machines meet dreams, and today, this dream has BMW written all over it. What if I told you that BMW just built a luxury motorhome so insane, it comes with a full private cinema, a rooftop spa, and even a built-in drone launch deck? This isn't science fiction, this is the 2026 BMW Double-Floor Motorhome, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. Let's get straight into it. From the outside, the first thing you notice is the sleek, aggressive design. It's not boxy like your average. Ariel, it's got the signature. BMW kidney grille up front, laser headlights, and a body that looks like it belongs in a futuristic sci-fi movie. And yes, it's a double-floor behemoth sitting on a custom air suspension chassis with 12 wheels for ultra-smooth rides. This thing doesn't roll, it glides. Step inside, and you enter pure BMW luxury. The lower floor is all about utility and function. There's a full gourmet kitchen with smart induction surfaces, a dining area that transforms into a workstation, and a lounge with adaptive ambient lighting. Every surface screams premium, from the stitched leather upholstery to the real wood paneling. But it's when you take the curved staircase to the second floor that things get truly wild. The upper deck is dedicated to pure relaxation and entertainment. At the center is your private movie theater, complete with a Dolby Atmos surround sound system, reclining VIP chairs, and a massive OLED screen that drops from the ceiling. Movie night? More like cinema night. Anywhere you park. Right behind it, there's the spa zone. Yes, you heard that right. A full spa. Think heated floors, a massage table with an auto lift system, a rainfall shower, and even a jacuzzi that extends onto the retractable rooftop deck. You can literally soak under the stars in the middle of the desert or beside a mountain range. And then there's the part that'll blow tech lovers away, the drone bay. A hidden panel opens up to reveal a launch pad for 2 high-end drones. They're integrated with BMW's onboard AI system for scenic aerial footage, location scouting, or just to flex on Instagram. Powering all this is a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain with solar panels built right into the roof and side extensions. Range? Over 1,000 kilometers on a full charge and tank. And of course, it comes with BMW's autonomous driving tech for effortless long-haul trips. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile palace with German engineering at its core. BMW didn't just build an RV, they redefined what luxury travel looks like. So what do you think? Would you live in this beast full-time? Or is it just a billionaire's toy? Hit that like button if you're blown away, and don't forget to subscribe to Engine Explorer, where the future of mobility gets a little crazier every day.